Today we'll be taking a look at Synthesizer V as a writing tool, top lining tool, creating your melodies, all that kind of fun stuff. So today I'm going to show you how I wrote a bunch of songs or how I use it. Two really cool methods. One is where I just write the song using Synthesizer V, write the melodies, type the lyrics in. The second one being that I take my gibberish lyrics that I have to a track and I import them into Synthesizer V, and I can edit them that way. I can write lyrics on top of them, all kind of really cool stuff. I have a bunch of other Synthesizer V Studio videos on my YouTube channel here as well. You can check those out. And let's just get into this and let's begin. Okay, so we got this track here, just a really quick track that we're going to write to. So the first way we're going to do this with Synthesizer V, we're going to open an instance of Synthesizer V. We will choose a vocalist. And then we'll just start typing in some melodies here. And we can just write them in. It's also worth noting that you can play them in with a MIDI keyboard as well. And we could just start writing them in here. Let's go up to this register for her. Now I know I'm in the key of C of this song, so I'll just start. Sometimes when I do it this way, I just kind of write stuff in, random, not random, but notes that we know that are typical things in melody writing. And we can shorten these. And of course, I'm going to play it back with the music to see what it sounds like. By default, it's going to be the last sound here, as you may know. So we'll do like a
la la la.
Play it with the song.
La la la.
Maybe copy that. So da 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 da. Now this little thing here is connecting the lines together, the word or the blobs here, if you will, the notes. So right now we got this.
La la la. La la la. La 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 la.
Little off timing. Sometimes it's hard to see these grids here. We could extend this note out. We could just experiment like this for a while till we find something we like. For the purpose of this demo, we won't go too far into this. I want to keep this a quick video, but I'm just showing you the possibilities.
La la la. La la la. La 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 la. La la la.
Something like that. And then, we could change the vocalists.
La la la. La la la. La la la.
Right now, we'll just keep her there. So right there, we just have a basic la la la, obviously. We can start putting in words to start. I wrote like this many times using this software. So, when you're writing your lyrics, you just come in here and say, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm going to say here. I'm just going to, this is kind of a stream of consciousness. I don't know. Let's see. We'll just do that. I don't know. I don't know where you are. And then we can extend these notes out as well. We could add to it. We could take away, add harmonies later with the same product here.
I don't know where you are.
So now that's, very staccato. So we'll just kind of try that note out here. Maybe it's where you are.
I don't know where you are.
Maybe change that note. I don't know where. We can change the rhythm of it. We can do all kind of stuff.
I don't know where you are.
You know, the possibilities are endless. Just keep creating stuff. Again, I want to keep this short, so I'm not going to go into whole songwriting process here. So let's get out of this one here. And now the next way, a lot of songwriters will write a song, have a track. If they're writing to a track, singer comes in, or the producer, whoever, just starts doing gibberish lyrics. I've gone here and did this. I just sang in some random stuff like this. And it goes on. What we could do now is we could export this audio file here. And I do have effects on here. I'm using Xbox Pro. When you export it, you want to mute that. Export your audio. Then we go on to Synthesizer V here. We import that file. So we're going to drag that audio file in here. And then we have it in there. We're just going to go extract notes from audio. Do that. Note detection sensitivity, we got it at 80%. We want the lyrics transcription and everything, so we have all the whatever. And then we go OK. Analyzing vocal. And now we have that in here. Throw a vocalist on here. And then we're going to play them together, see what happens. Today, don't bear. So we got a good take there. We're going to move that up an octave because that's a little bit out of our register. Okay, so now we have to tune these vocals. Make sure they're all in pitch because we did a thing here, and you know, for my singing wasn't in pitch. So I know this is in the key of C, like I said. A couple of ways we could do this. This clip here, we could just go in here and move these notes around. There's another way that's really cool to do it though, that I'm going to show you here, especially if you have a very long track. This works with Logic. I don't know if it works with other programs, but we're going to do this. We're going to take this MIDI file here, export as MIDI file. Then we're going to import it back into Logic. And I know it's in the key of C. And I can see that there's notes here that are out of the key of C. So I'm just going to select all, quantize to the key of C. All those notes are now in the key of C. We might have to make some final adjustments later, but you know, this is just to get going here. It does it very well. Now we're going to export this back into Synthesizer V. A little extra process, but when you have a long vocal track, especially, you don't have to go in there and adjust each note. As far as I know, there's no quick way of doing that inside of Synthesizer V. There might be. If I find out, I will be doing that instead. But the cool thing about this is too, it actually takes all the lyrics and puts them back into, even though I'm putting the MIDI file into Logic, it stores that information. Again, it works in Logic. Let me know in the comments if you tried other DAWs, if it works, if you do it this way. And we can play it first. Okay, so that's the melody. Go back into here. We can import that MIDI. Give ourselves a new track, duplicate track. Actually, get rid of that. Say import MIDI. We'll create new tracks. All those notes, bam, bam. And now we have a copy that is in tune. So there you go. And then from here, you know, we start writing our lyrics. And of course, we can change some rhythms and whatever once we get our lyrics going. you know, whatever. Let's see here. Today. I say. I mean, obviously, this is not the best lyrics. I say. And we can even take the say and do this little thing here. I let say stretch out between those notes.
Today, I say.
And we can change it around like that. I say, you know, whatever. Get crazy, get creative, make some music. Of course, we could blend the two together.
I don't know today where you are. I say la 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 la. Oh say, oh yeah. 너무 today.
Again, obviously, I would work on this a lot more. Get the flush the lyrics out, do some more melodies, do all that kind of fun stuff, make some catchy hooks. But just scratching the surface, showing you some really cool things you can do with the Synthesizer V Studio. I have many other videos about this product on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or would like to see me try something else, let me know in the comments below. Just a quick little songwriting, top lining video today. Anyways, that is all for now. I will talk to you soon.